Hello for everyone. In this video I want to show you two ways how you can start using our web hosting. When you are registered in your account, you see this panel where is all your personalized information. But I am interested now. I am interested in my client area. This is my client area where I can see all things that I have and that I don't have. There is I can order hosting, I can register the domain, I can transfer the domain, order SSL, sign backup and other things. But in this time I have ordered basic Linux hosting, and when I was registered this order, I not putting my domain, and I was chosen that I will add domain later. Okay, now I will go to hosting. Manage my hosting packages, and I don't have, and I will add hosting, and I can add my domain. There is two ways how can I choose domain. I have choice my existing domain, and if I don't have domain, I can put there any domain and it will be my temporary domain. For now I will enter my temporary domain. For example, I will write my name .com. Okay, and it will be a Linux platform, and I go add my hosting. But this I need to do only if I not choose the domain when I registering my hosting. If I registering okay, and my hosting package is created. For now, this domain is temporary domain, and I can use it only locally, and then client area. I will go back to client area, and now I see that I have domain.com. If I choose this domain, I have access to my control panel. And again, now I will speak about two ways how you can start using domain. First one, if you have existing domain and you have existing web page. For example, you have WordPress webpage and you want only hosting it to our server. What you need to do? First, you have uh, two ways how you can migrate your hosting. For first variant, you can in your in client area open 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 the support ticket with details of your previous hosting, and we will migrate your homepage to to our service, and it is absolutely free. Second way how you can do it by self, and if you have a backup of your web files, and if you have domain, and if you have backup of your database, for example, if you have some WordPress web page, then before you migrate your web page, first things that you need to do, you need change your name server. For example, now if I have in my temporary control of panel in right side, there is a section 9 server setup, and there is written that my domain currently not used or 9 servers, and that means that your domain is not connected to our hosting. First things, before you upload your content to our hosting, you need change name servers by your domain register. When you and there you see they have 4 name servers: ns1 stack.dns, ns2 stack.dns, 3 and 4 DNS. That means that you need go to your domain register, found the section name servers, and change these name servers to all. After that, you need wait some time why this name servers will affected globally. For this reason, you need wait some time. It very depends from domain register. It could be 1-2 hours. Sometimes it may be 24 hours and more. How you can know that your name server is changed? You can go to address DNS checker dnschecker.org, and there in this section you need choice NS, and there you need put your domain. In this time I will put my domain BestContentHosting.com. Best content hosting .com, and after that I click search. Oh, something not good, because I not writing correct my domain. There is best content. No. Yes, now all is right. And there you can see that all my server is correctly using my name servers. That is NS1, NS2, NS3, NS4. If there are all servers use or name servers, that means that your domain is connected to our hosting, and you can upload content to our server. How you can do it? We will go to our control panel. First way how you need upload to our servers now web files, and for example if you have WordPress or some web page which use some database, you need use already upload database too. How you can do it? You can do it. There is a file manager. We will open it now. This is file manager, yes. Okay. And there, if you click, you will see some tools which you can work with your file manager. And what very important, that if you have one domain, this domain you need add in folder public HTML. I will open it, and there is index file. You can delete it. And if you have backup, you can use this upload button, and if you have on local computer your web files, you can upload it to our server. I will see if I have. Yes, I have some backup I have some backups, and I have, yes, you can, you can, if you have b- b- backup in zip format, you can upload it, mm, zip file to our server. Choice and click open it and upload. And of course, after that you need to wait some time while your files was uploading. If your backup is very large, I recommend using FTP service, and we have different video tutorial how you can use FTP to upload files to our service. And you see that we need to wait some times, and I will pause this video. Okay, now you will see that my backup zip file are uploaded, and what I can do, I can click on zip file, right click, and extract files there. And again I need wait some time while my files will be extracted there. And you will see my files are extracted and my file is ready. This is not WordPress page, and if I will go back to my control panel, how I said at beginning, for now I using temporary address. That means that my web page is not connected email, but there in right side you can see view the temporary URL. If I click to temporary URL, temporary URL, why? Yes. Problem is, we will see where is our problem. We need look how is about our domain. I will go to domain section. I know where is problem. This domain is all okay, but I know where is problem. Problem is that I not use correctly my web page, and that is not good. That is not good, and I cannot see my web page because it made yes. if I go to web, this page is made with yes, yes, yes. This not work. This not work. Okay, okay. Hmm. We'll see one more time. In our control panel, where is problem? Version is correct. I don't have index file. I don't. Yes, 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 yes. The problem is, problem is that in my archive was more folders, and there is one more public HTML. I will need go to public HTML, and this is my page. I will copy it and cut from there, and will put there. Yes. Because and now I think all will be good. I go back and I will see now my temporary URL. And I hope this will be, yes, my homepage will work. This is my very old web page. You see, this will work. But how I said, this page is not only, it is only in my temporary address. And if you have database, you need, for example, if you have also WordPress page, you need upload also your MySQL database. You need go to MySQL database, and if you have if you have you need create my DB, for example, okay, now this and I will click create database. After database is created, you can sign in. And you to section import and you can choose if you have database file on your hard disk, you can import it to our server. I will this is a common ways how you can import web files uh, in our servers, and there you can import also database if you need. In a separate video I will show how you can import existing WordPress site, but how I said, you can open tickets with details of your previous hosting, and we will import your homepage to our server. Okay, that is that, and yes, that is that, and but if you use temporary domain, it is something similar to local host. That means your hosting working, you can developing different kind of services. If we go to end of the, you will see there are lots of one-click install, which you can install, configure, and learning how to use them. And when your web result is ready, you can get somewhere your domain and add the domain to your web resources. Okay, two main things. First things, you have existing web project and you have the domain. Firstly, you change name servers to our by your domain register, and after name server is taken globally affected, you can upload files to our server, and hosting will working and your website will be online. Or if not, you can use our hosting for learning, for creating something, for developing different kind of web resources. In a further video, I will show more detailed how you can import existing WordPress file. But the general thing, if you have already created a WordPress site, before you import files and databases, or before you ask to do for use to open the ticket, you need change your name servers and see if name servers are globally change it. And only after that you can migrate your files and what was and your website will be online. So thanks for this, and we will make different videos in future. Have a nice day, guys.